Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Ride and Dine, Tony here. Today we're going to introduce a short clip about installing this Binize AI box into the truck. Okay, I have purchased these units right here on my own, and then I am affiliated with them, and I'm helping them to do the installation, and hope everybody, if they see this is very helpful and decide to purchase one with the fitment, please see the link below. Thank you. Okay, so this is the quick unboxing. I think that I've heard that unboxing is quite straightforward. There isn't too much stuff inside, but you know what? Since we're here, let's take a look. Sorry for this. There you go. Very simple. And then it just comes with this 2 USB cable. Simple as that. Okay, this is my first attempt. I have heard that this is take this peel off. I think that you should be able to put a SIM card reader here, focus, and then I'm going just to power with the USB. And funny thing that the 2023 F150 has a USB here, so I'm gonna utilize that and try and see. Now I'm gonna put the camera back, and then we'll try to get it going. Okay, there you go. Let's get this going. See if this works. All right. All right. Eventually, you have to go to CarPlay and then be able to add these. So now you coming to here, you make sure that you go to network internet here, and then hotspot and tethering. You have to turn this on, Bluetooth tethering, and then you'll be able to go back here and then go ahead and turn on your Wi-Fi. Now it's working okay. I'm going to attempt. I know that this is a perfect example of to entertain your passenger and not to do anything stupid that for yourself to drive this, and while you're watching this is not a very good idea. Okay, so right now I'm going trying to see if I could, hang on a second, let me try to, I had a little console here to sit down, so I'm gonna go here, and then make that rise. So I'm gonna give this a try. I'm gonna put this to drive like this, and then where that you still can be able to really good. We have to be careful. And right now, this is the basic idea of things. Once you guys stuck with some type of, we don't need this, we got some type of stuck in terms of connection, just to think that you have a small computer without a screen, okay, and they are trying to connect to internet, make sure it shows up on the screen, and etc. etc. Another quick feature that for the sync4, I feel like that they're still able to do your other sub menu on the side. The one thing is that you cannot get the full screen, but we all knew that. So right now, this is your trips and stuff like that, your auto kit, loading map. You can still see the maps here, which is kind of cool. And one more thing, once that you reach to this things that you want to get out, touch the screen, that white dot appears and go back to home like that, and you're out. Netflix. When I access it again, they will actually automatically detect that your YouTube app inside this. You think about this again, this is a little mini computer which made by Binize that it needs to update. Just like that. One more thing that it actually saw is, of course, all your stereo type of stuff. Let me turn this down so it doesn't, you still can go fast forward to the next songs. And then your volume, of course, it will work as well too. So it's very, very intuitive once that you get this hooked up. One more thing about using what they call the BT, the phone call here. This interface, although that is synced with your contacts, however, because you don't have a SIM card, you won't be able to call out. So if for instance, that if we're trying to make a dial, for example, this is a quick number of number I chose. And then when I dialed, make a phone call, it will not dial because that this is that no SIM card. That this is very important here is that you need to connect to your device with your Bluetooth first, and also your network. And once you get that going and you log into all your apps here, it will go through a cycle of login information and yada 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 in order to get that going. Okay. And second thing is that it will, because that, as I was saying before, or maybe now, that this is treated as a little mini computer. Because this mini computer helps you to understand the relationships in between your car, your phone, and your screen per se. So let me go through that a little bit with you. If this is a little computer, think about that. This is a computer projecting everything that onto the screen, and that's it. Because a computer like this don't have a screen, but it's actually projecting the screen from a connection from here to here. Okay, so that's it, simple as that. Now, how do they get internet access? Through your phone. Your phone is your gateway to access the internet, and that's where the whole thing works. So to put that in perspective, that is how to troubleshoot if you have any type of questions when in regards to connection. So hope that give you a better understanding what is going on, and so you know that all these other things still works. You could still access to all your sub menus here, which is there's a bunch of other menus here as you can access to it, and it works very, very well. if you feel that this is, if you can find the links in below, if you like to purchase, please click below, and you can see that I am associated with their, full disclosure, I'm associated with them, and this is something that I have actually been helping them to explain to people.